Hello everybody, Kelly Driver here. Thank you for joining me. Welcome to my art channel. I'm so happy to have you along today. I'm going to do an artwork, an abstract, a pour with a blue base, a nice sky blue, light blue base with some other blues and greens and purples. So my mind started working on like a beachy kind of theme, but I've veered off from that, but I've still got the base elements in there of a beachy kind of thing. Anyway, I'm really looking forward to using these colours, so let's paint. So my first painting failed, and this is the blue mix that I've got here, which is a lovely blue. So I'm going to use this blue now because it's a lovely smoky purpley beautiful blue. Actually, it's a very nice blue. So change of plan. Got to roll with the punches in these times. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So I'm going to put on the Paynes grey first. And I'm putting on ultramarine violet light. Mixed up bunch of colours, this one. Permanent blue violet. Pebeo, greenish yellow. So pretty. White, very small amount of white. This is an iridescent blue. And then we'll put on some gold. So a bit of paint to flood the canvas. even it out a bit. There's some gorgeous metallics in here, absolutely gorgeous. I don't really like this bit just here. It's a bit wishy-washy. I might take that centre bit out. Pretty spectacular, I must say. I've got some, this side's a little bit weaker than this one, so I'm just wondering if I put a couple of little dots of this oh, that wasn't quite the plan. That was not the plan. Anyway, we'll just make it work. Just make it work. That's good. I don't like this bottom corner. I don't like it. It's not, this part up here is like really got such an amazing impact, and the colors are so true and pure, and down here it's sort of muted. I haven't got much of my blue paint left at all, but I'm going to scrape this bit off. I'm going to scrape it off. Crazy, but I'm going to do it. Why is some artwork such an effort and other ones are so easy, hey? Why is that? Why does it have to be like that? I can't remember the order that I put the paints on in, unfortunately. So we're just going to have a go and hope for the best on what I did. also hope that we don't need more paint, because there is no more of the base, that is. I've got everything else, but I don't have I think this will be the final composition. I've turned it around from how I painted it. So that's the top right hand corner. Over to the left, flowing down here. You can see some of the white and the Paynes grey quite clearly down in this bottom corner, which is lovely. And this is one of my favourite bits of the painting, with the iridescent blue and iridescent green in a swirl there. And then this is the right, lower right, coming up on the right hand side. So thank you very much for watching, everybody. My name is Kelly Driver, and I will see you next time for another video. See you later.